Okay, we're going to cut out a head here, and we're going to make it along the lines of this, something like this. So I got this to use as kind of a reference. Only thing is, I got these for my horns. That's not what I want. That one. I have these we're going to put on for horns over the top. So we're going to work on something along this line. We're going to need 7 pieces. So for the centerpiece we need 3, and we're going to adjust this nose. These are the very outside pieces that we're going to need, and this will be the 2 centerpieces with the neck piece. So I need to turn this over. Okay. So now this board is 1 by 10, which will work perfect for the centerpieces. It's 3/4 by 9.5 is what it actually is, but it's called a 1 by 10. So if you go to the hardware store or lumberyard, that's what you're going to get. Let's see. So what we'll do is we'll mark this first one out where we want it. And we're going to make it a little bit more up here. And we've got to change this nose. Draw this out like this. So we'll use this to further enhance this head, to make this head a little bit taller. So I have enough room to be able to put those horns on here. And his nose is more of a straight. The nose area is different, so we don't want it to be like that. Come down here. Bit more. So we've enhanced that nose a little bit, and we want to put a number on this. So we're going to make it 23H. This is just so I can keep track of what I'm doing. I'm going to take this up. This is going to go up here more. So this part gets cut out. So what we'll do is we'll cut the one out so we can use it as a pattern for our next 2, and then we'll use this shape for this here. So what we're looking at here is 7 1/4 to 7.5 inches here, 9.5 inches here. So we'll cut this out, and then we'll use this as a pattern. So we'll do that, and then we'll come back. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. There we go. Thanks for watching.